Hi everyone, welcome back to Still Las Vegas. Today we are sharing a room tour video from Mandalay Bay Hotel in Las Vegas. We have booked a Resort King strip view room and we're on the 29th floor in room 29221. This is our room just here on the map of the hotel and the strip is here, so we have an absolutely amazing view of the strip which I'm excited to show you. But first of all we'll have a look at the room. So just as you come in the door here, we have a small hallway area just at the entrance. So you have some artwork here to the left and then you have a full-length mirror here to the right, which is always nice to have. As we go a bit further along, we have a door here, which is what you would use if you had an adjoining room, and then we go into the main part of this room. So I'll just give you a little overview of that first of all. You can see we have the king size bed just here, and at either side we have bedside tables with some nice lamps. The lamps have outlets, which is really useful, and at this side we also have a phone and some paper and a pen. The bedside tables have a drawer for storage here, and they also have a shelf below, which is really good. And then just looking back up at the bed, you can see the nice cream leather effect headboard, and the artwork on the wall behind the bed is really nice as well. It just really goes with the decor in this room. At the other side of the bed we have the same bedside table again with the drawer and the shelf and also the lamp with the outlet. But we also have the TV remote here and an alarm clock which has a USB, which is great for charging your phone. And just looking over to the other side of the room, you can see we have some doors there, and that is two closets. And also the middle one leads you into the bathroom. So we'll have a look at that in a moment. But first of all, we'll just look at the TV area here in front of the bed. So we have a large TV screen there, and there's also this desk area with a nice leather chair, which is great for working. And there are some outlets there as well as a USB port, which is really useful to have, and a little desk lamp here, which is nice. Then you have your ice bucket and glasses here at the minibar area, and it's actually nice that they have proper wine glasses in this room instead of plastic cups. And then just looking at the minibar, this is a weighted minibar with some water and snacks, and you also have your coffee machine here, and then below there is a fully stocked mini fridge with lots of different drink options there as well. This room doesn't have a fridge for your own personal use, so that's the only one negative of this room. It would be nice to have that, but there are next to this some drawers, quite a small drawer at the top and then two larger drawers below. So some really great storage in this unit below the TV. And then just looking back over to the window area, we'll have a better look at the view in just a moment, but as you can see we have two comfortable armchairs and a little side table there at the window as well. So overall just a very nice room, really nice decor, and yeah, just a great quality room overall. We'll now have a look at the closets in the bathroom. The closets are really large, so I'll just show you this one first. They also have lighting, which is good. The hanging rail is really high, plenty of room for long hanging, and there's also an ironing board and an iron in this one as well. There's also a safe here. It is a bit of a smaller safe, but it is still a safe, which is great to have in any room. So that is closet number one. And the other side here, I'll just show you that one quickly as well. So you have a shorter hanging rail in this one with a shelf above, so it's quite good to have the shelf area in this one. And there's also a luggage rack below there as well. So really good storage with the two closets and the drawers in this room. And we'll now head through the middle doors into the bathroom. So these middle doors can be left open like this to have easier access to the bathroom. Let's go and have a look. So as soon as we come in on the right hand side, you can see the dual sink area here with the well illuminated mirror above. There's lots of room on the surfaces around the sink for storing all of your products, and we also have here the MGM Resort's hand wash and body lotion included as well, which is great. There is a small shelf below where they have some hand towels and the hairdryer there as well. So a really nice vanity area overall. Then straight ahead there's a door into the toilet, so that's concealed in its own room, as you can see just there. And there's some nice artwork as well in that little room. And over to the left hand side we have a full walk-in shower. So in the shower you have some more of the MGM products. You have a shampoo, a conditioner and a body wash as well, so that's great. And there's also a little shelf for you to store your own products. The shower head is just there, an angled shower head, and the water pressure is really good in this room. On the shower door we've just got a little towel rail there, and then as we turn around, this room also has a tub, which is really great to have. It is quite a deep tub, quite low down, you can see that there. And then just above the tub there's another towel rail there as well. So a really nice bathroom overall, very happy with that. And now we'll just head back out to the main part of the room to have a better look at the view from the window. So I'll just open up the shears and we can have a better look at that. So I've just turned all the lights off so that we can get a better look at this view. As you can see already, it's such an amazing view directly down the strip, and also of the mountains behind the strip as well. Just have a closer look here. So you can see the Luxor, which is the hotel next to this one, and then you've got the Excalibur, New York, and all of the other properties basically on the strip. You can almost see everything from this room. You can actually even see the very top of the Sphere just there above MGM Grand, which I didn't expect to see at all from this room, so that's pretty amazing. So happy with this view. This is the Resort King Strip View room, so it really should be a good view, and it is. I'm so happy with it. I will include some shots from night time as well so that you can see what it looks like with all the lights on the strip at night. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching this room tour video today. I hope this helps you to decide whether this room is right for you. If it does, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit subscribe as we do upload new Vegas videos every single week. And once again, this is the Resort King Strip View room at Mandalay Bay. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.